How does labeling theory explain media's effect on criminality? Imagine watching a news story about a young person caught in trouble. The media often labels them as a troublemaker or a criminal right away. But how does this influence actual crime? That's where labeling theory comes into play. It helps us understand how media stories shape society's view of crime and the people involved. Labeling theory suggests that crime isn't just about the act itself but how society reacts to it. The media plays a big part in this by highlighting certain behaviors or groups. When they focus on youth gangs or marginalized communities, they often use stereotypes or exaggerate their actions. This creates what's called a moral panic. People start to see these groups as dangerous threats, even if the real danger is small. This exaggerated fear causes authorities to respond with stricter rules and more policing. These increased controls can lead to those labeled as offenders feeling pushed further into crime. When the media calls someone a criminal repeatedly, it becomes part of how they see themselves. They may accept this label and act accordingly. This is known as a self-fulfilling prophecy. The media's portrayal also influences public opinion and criminal justice policies. When the public sees certain groups as dangerous, they often support harsher punishments. Instead of focusing on fixing underlying issues, the system may just punish more. This cycle can make crime worse because it isolates and stigmatizes those who are labeled. In the world of true crime and criminology, understanding how media coverage impacts perceptions is key. It shows us that sensational stories can reinforce negative labels. This can make it harder for people to escape a criminal identity and for society to address root causes. Recognizing this influence helps us push for fairer, more balanced responses to crime. It reminds us that media isn't just reporting facts but shaping how we see crime and those involved.